This is a used 2013 Chevrolet Sonic, powered by front-wheel drive, a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 8,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. The features include heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats, cruise control, keyless entry, a trip computer. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.